How to select an object in Photoshop. So I'll show you the most up-to-date method on how to select objects in Photoshop. Now there's two ways to do this. So first go and click on layers in the bottom right hand side and make sure you have your main image layer selected like this. You can then hold down on this select tool in the left hand side and go and select object selection tool. Now click on the drop down arrow and make sure select people is turned on. Sometimes they're automatically detected from here and you can just go and click on them to select them. Now another way to do this is you can just go and move your mouse cursor over the person you want to select and you can click down on them like so. Now if it doesn't select the entire person, you can just hold down the shift key on your keyboard and then you can just go and select any missing parts. So that's the first way to select a person. Another way to do this is if we go and deselect the image, you can press select at the top of the page. You can then click on subject and this will automatically select all of your people in this image.